Okay, welcome everyone. Here is Google Classroom. This is where you will find most of your classwork posted. As you can see here, we have an upcoming work. As you can see, no work is due soon, but if there is work due soon, it will show up there. Here is your streaming page. So throughout this page, you can find directions, anything that I post that I think you should be using for your research, such as the directions to the assignment here, or you can even find videos that I'll post that will help you with your work. Additionally, here is where you're going to find all your classwork, and this is where you can post all of your assignments for grading. Throughout this project that we're going to be doing, you'll find everything mostly on the streaming page or the classwork page. Through Google Classroom, you will also be using Google Drive, specifically Google Drawings. So here's my drive. In order to open up a new drawing, you're going to go to New, and then here I have to go to More, and then Google Drawings. So once it opens up, you can name your drawing here. So we're going to call it the Dream Room drawing. And you can add different shapes. The specific shapes that you will be working with are the rectangles, the triangles, you can, and the rhombuses. You can also, parallelogram, sorry. Or you can also use a different shape, but please remember that you have to find the area of it, so you're going to have to decompose the shape and find the areas of different shapes in order to do that. So for example, if we want to do a square or a rectangle, we'll click on this, and you can start here, wherever you'd like to start, and make it as long as you want, or as wide as you want. And then let's say this is my TV, so I'm going to label it TV, and I want it here. Another example, say I want another rectangle here for a couch. Do this, and we can label this couch. I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger to fit those words in. And you can move it anywhere you'd like. You can change the colors. You can add text, whatever you would like. But this is mainly where you will be doing all your work for your dream room. After you have done all of the work that you want to do, you can file and download it as a PDF so it doesn't change the formatting of your room here. And then after you download it as a PDF, you can bring it up and it'll look like this. Don't forget that every direction for this will be posted on Google Classroom. For example, right here, here are some guidelines on what you will be doing in the classroom. If you have any questions, you can always post here and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And that seems to be just about it for this